Good day. My name's Zubi Michael, an actor, movie executive, and special assistant to His Excellency Governor Willie Obiano of Anambra State on media. First and foremost, I want to thank all the what's it called, health workers here and media people. Because they are the people working now, including the people selling food. You know, easy. You guys are trying as well. Quick one here. There is a bridge between our government and the masses, which I think is because Constitution. Yes. See, that Constitution was okay then, due to the scenario. But now, you need to touch that Constitution. Let's not capitalize on it like that. You know why? Even for Bible, I'm a Christian. You get Old Testament, New Testament. Small time you will see latest Testament. What's my point? Look at what is happening in Lagos. 1 million boys attacking, blah, 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 blah. If you keep quiet, Oga, in the end, listen, people will die. No matter the police you send there, they will go burn their van. You lose many AKs, lives and properties. But you need to, our governors or president or anybody, you need to appoint what I call street honorable. Yeah, street honorable. It will be a bridge between you and the poor masses, because una don't know the poor masses. So if people just the rule through phone, if something happen, governor will call CP will call DPO for that area, DPO go send him boy, all good, office work nice. You need somebody who going to use like Wakago there. Street honorable, I don't want to call it youth president because it will catch fire too much. Street honorable, like in Lagos now, call Olamide. Street honorable, give him money. Go and meet these 1 million boys. I'm not saying negotiate with terrorists or people that are disturbing us, but no. Some of them don't even know what is corona. Lecture them. So they need someone they respect due to his street credibility and someone that has a good spirit. Olamide not be my friends, but I know he's a good man. He wants the best for people. If you give Olamide 50 million men go share, he reach that share 60. And you know the two promoting those. So I don't look at people by how they find pictures you're posting. No, I scan your spirit to know the type of person you are. That's why some people say, Zubi, no one talk to me, Zubi hates me. No, I see how you're dirty you are in the spirit. So I rather stay neutral with you. Because if I open my tell you things where you don't do it, things that people don't know. This is one a native doctor. No, it's a natural gift from God. So back to my point. Call Olamide, make him street honorable, give him money. Go for the direct, we call him. Baba, go know what in the top. Educate these boys on these things. Tell them to calm down. The 14 days is for our own good. Make them not die. Give them small something. Everybody is fine. And I'll avoid the danger ahead. Not Alinu. Alinu can stop riot. Once he comes out, everybody is loyal. Street because of his hard work, and he's a good man. Make him street honorable. Call him. Not people on social media. People who just did so many places. Someone has to communicate with these people in their own mentality, not the person where they're from holy other now, not the person where they wear tie. No, we are not on that frequency now. Of course, the East, you know, is in Dalap on the beat. See, get one day where I don't come out riot there normally. Say, car, jam on this song. This one, people can attest to it because they recorded it. Youths were rioting. I was driving, I just the pass. And see what in that one don't hit my mirror, say, bar, as I come down from that, we know go grill, they block road. Yes, and I say, what happened? They say, car, jam one boy, run, and the boy died, and the boy is an only son, hit and run car. Jesus, I weak. Then it's okay. Calm down. Well, I will try my best. We'll put bombs here, but this riot is not going to solve anything. I beg you to cause more damage, okay? Let's see. Who is the youth president here? I've been at school there. They are what do you call them? School youth president. I've been out. They said I ain't be there. Oh, their phones there. I said, no, calm down. Drop those weapons. They listen to me. Last, we put bombs there. That part, I don't know whether they don't bury him or something, but I talk with the guy. So it's time to get youth street honorables. Matter like this, you give them money to go and meet these boys that believe in them. They are the only people that can make them understand, because they will listen to us due to the type of ruggedness and things we don't do, and they believe say these people are naturally good. They believe in us. How about I take Jam, my governor? Now where I go give 1 million naira, 1 fire catch for them. It's not like I have money, no, but I feel their pain. So government should pick street honorables. These are the people that can tell you what is happening direct, because they will go to the street and tell you what's up, and you can handle it direct, and you will stop having problems. See, if you get Etmapo where the guy do with double magazine, if 300 boys come, before they shoot 100 to 150, the other 150 will disarm them and kill you and your mapos and your family. Who is fooling who? Oh, let's not shy away from these things. Street honorable Olamide should handle that Ogun Lagos side. North, Alinu should handle it. East, give it to me. Let me go and meet my people. And you people should be pampering also, because you know we are big and rich and comfortable. I'm not begging anybody for anything. You are endangering my life. My risk I go take. So you have to call us and pamper us, because they believe in us. So let's go and help you and handle these things. Everybody just they talk online. Listen, don't be a motivational speaker. Be a motivator. So I beg una. This one no be Zendala film team. I'm saying this as a media person that works with the government. Okay, I will still call my governor and say, Daddy, I beg, bring money. I go meet my boys, because if you not do this thing now, in the next 14 days, Nigeria will be bloody. Look at what happened in Abia State. Youths enter police station. Where the armory? Not be there the police station. You don't see the one happen for not. A whole police station. Youth. What is that telling you? You will be a crowd is power. So people, few of us that crowd believe in us, and they know we are good men, not because no, this one no be say this one is smoking, but this one not the smoking, but this one a good guy, this one no they go church. No, we are not preaching church here. We are preaching love. Call street honorables, let them go and meet these boys, because if you keep this lockdown, next 14 days go there bloody and you can control it.